Let's take a LOOP-LOC safety cover off an in-ground pool. Take your metal installation tool from LOOP-LOC and place it over the anchor. Twist and pull up, unhooking the spring loop from the anchor and allowing the cover to lay flat on the water. Use a hex anchor screw key to unscrew the anchors. Repeat this along all the anchors all the way around the pool. Then, use a hose or brush to gently clean the anchors and anchor casings to help prevent debris buildup. Return the anchors and screw them back down so they don't catch or tear the cover. Next, with 2 people, we will fan fold the cover for storage. Always fold along the width of the pool rather than the length. With 2 people, pull the end of the cover onto the deck, about 6 feet from the pool. Walk to the next set of straps, pull up, and fan fold that section on top of the section on the deck. Repeat with each of the straps until the cover is fully off the pool and fan folded on one side of the pool. Fold the cover in half multiple times until it's about 4 foot by 2 foot, leaving the springs and buckles attached. Carefully slide the cover into the LOOP-LOC storage bag, close it up, and store it in a safe, dry place for the off-season. It's best to either hang the storage bag off the floor or store the cover in a large plastic storage bin to prevent rodents from nesting inside the cover.